Hi everyone, I'm Harry.
I'm Emily.
I'm Ryan.
I'm Shakur.
And this is RTV News. Woo!
Hey Rosemont, if you're interested in joining the girls basketball team, the tryouts are November 5th and 6th. Be there or be square.
And if you're interested in joining the soccer team, boys tryouts are November 4th, 5th, and 6th at 6 p.m. It's going to be in the grass field, so if you're interested, be there. Girls soccer tryouts are November 4th through November 7th. If you're interested, the tryouts will be at 5:30 p.m. Be there.
Our football team has an away game at Bradshaw Christian Friday, November 1st. JV starts at 5:15 and varsity starts at 7:30. Be there and support your Wolverines.
There will be a dual application enrollment workshop on November 6th at lunch in room A139. To complete this application, you will need to have your social security number. For more information, please contact the school counselor, Ms. Sandberg.
No!
Stop the violence.
No violence!
No.
Be friends!
Yes.
The power of friendship, guys.
Moral of the story here is, violence is never the answer. Talk out your problems before, and if you need a mediator to solve your problems, get one.
Hey, sorry, excuse me.
And that was Shakur.
Ryan.
Emily.
And Harry, thanks for watching RTV News! Woo!